experience to everyone. Myself, I am Pinto, a student of grade 10. It is rightly said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. When educationalists all over the globe are striving to bring a revolutionary change in the field of education and school, I feel it would be a great opportunity for me to let you all know that how I as a student visualize my kind of school, as it's more convincing when you hear it from a horse's mouth. Schools are an integral part of a person's life. If I were to design a school, I would put my soul into it because I feel that this time spent at school is the most cherished part of a human's lifetime. The classroom should be designed keeping in mind that the students should remain active throughout. The rooms would have walls made of blackboards so that the students can bring out their creativity on the board. And also, the school should have ample of ground space so as to keep the students active physically, which will keep them healthier. The school should also have technological equipment for every children in every classroom so that their learning become easier. The curriculum should be based on theoretical and practical portion, but more focus should be on practical portion. I feel that the students should be book smart, but most importantly, they should be street smart. As being book smart can bring them a good paycheck, but being street smart can bring them happiness. There should be mandatory meditation classes where the students are taught meditation from the basics so as to be more confident and with peace at life. I would also include self-defense classes from a young age so that the students will be able to protect themselves from the abuses in and out of school. Here, I conclude by saying that the present schools are great, but at some time students as well as the teachers start feeling the pressure which should be taken care of, as the success of the school solely relies on the well-being of the students and teachers. Thank you.